Thanks for watching Valaction videos. If you like what you see, please click the subscribe link or like it down below. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jeff Hajek. I'm the owner and founder of Valaction Continuous Improvement. Welcome to this installment of my ongoing series of continuous improvement video terms. In this episode, I'll be covering the 6 big losses for overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. The losses are breakdowns, setup and minor adjustment, idling and minor stoppages, reduced speed, defects and rework, and startup loss. Each of these losses saps a small portion of potential production you could be getting from your machines. Total productive maintenance is a tool used in Lean to deal with these losses. Of note, there are a few different versions of the 6 big losses. Make sure that whatever you use in your company is used consistently by everyone. Discussion. Let's look at each of the 6 big losses for OEE in more detail. Breakdowns. As you might imagine, when a machine is not running, it's not producing. There are a handful of types of maintenance to prevent breakdowns. Repairers schedule maintenance, preventative maintenance, and predictive maintenance are the most common. Maintenance can be done by the operator or by dedicated maintenance teams. Setup and minor adjustment. Setup is the process of preparing the machine to produce a part. The term is commonly used interchangeably with changeover, though some people look at setup as just one component of changeover. For them, changeover is the process of switching from the last item of one production part to the first item of a different part. Setup might include something as simple as moving a stop on a fixture, or it might be purging lines and changing dies. Regardless, each second that is spent on setup is time that is not spent producing. Now, while setup is related to an entire run of parts, minor adjustments can also be related to individual items, individual parts. Think of cutting a stack of paper in a paper cutter. Many paper cutters have a stop that can be used to size a paper correctly. There might be some adjustment to get the location dialed in for the first few cuts of a new size, but then there might also be some adjustment to line up the stack of paper properly each time you make another cut. Generally, adjustment is thought of as the machine being adjusted, but it can also entail having to adjust the part into the fixture. Minor adjustments, even if they are very small, they tend to break up flow. Idling and minor stoppages. Idling is a result of external factors, for example, an operator going to get more parts, or internal factors such as a machine running self-diagnostics. Minor stoppages are for things like jams in a feeder or the machine stopping itself due to some sort of configuration issue. Think of your printer. You may have a jam, or you may get a pop-up message that a paper size is misaligned with your print job. Reduced speed. Reduced speed is a situation where the machine is still operational, but a much lower performance level than planned. Think of a 4-engine plane with 1 engine out. It can still fly, but it would be at a slower rate than it should be. Older machines also sometimes wear out and might not perform at peak levels. You might find that an old motor starts to vibrate too much at higher RPMs and you slow it down. Sometimes the speed reduction is related to using poor materials that need special attention. Basically, any factor that lets the machine still run, but not as quickly as it should, is a speed reduction. Defects and rework. Defects are obviously bad. There is a loss of production time when a replacement part is made, and there is often the cost of wasted materials. There is also the issue that when a machine is considered unreliable, it is often operated differently. Thanks for watching this video excerpt. If you liked it, we encourage you to check out the full video. It is only available at Valaction Videos. You'll get access to loads of exclusive and extended videos, as well as instant access to a wealth of downloadable materials. These include many forms and tools, PDF articles, and loads of content that forms the backbone of our continuous improvement development guide. Thanks again for your interest in Valaction, and best wishes on your continuous improvement journey.